Hello, welcome to the very first Crypto Professor YouTube Raffle, where you have the chance to win 1,000 CRO. There are two main rules. The first is that you must be an active subscriber to the Crypto Professor YouTube channel, and secondly, you must send 25 CRO using Crypto.com Pay to the telephone number in the description on this video. There are no fees to enter the competition, and also you get up to 10% cashback depending on your Crypto.com CRO stake. You must be over 18 in order to enter the competition, and also you must be in an area where crypto is legal. You must have a Crypto.com account in order to use Crypto.com Pay, and you must be willing to be interviewed for the purposes of this YouTube channel if you do win a prize. The closing date of the competition is Monday the 8th of March at 23:59 UTC, and the prize will be paid by Tuesday the 9th of March at 23:59 UTC. Full terms and conditions can be found in the link below this video. I wish you the best of luck, and I look forward to you winning 1,000 CRO.